Alright, y'all. Today, keeping with that fall theme, we're going to do some pumpkin spice cheesecake balls. For this, we have some pumpkin puree. We have some pumpkin pie spice, which is just a blend of nutmeg, allspice, cinnamon, ginger, and cloves. We have some graham crackers, the ginger snaps, don't know if I already said that, cream cheese, some white chocolate. We have some food coloring, because we're going to use that orange food coloring. It's Halloween. We might as well also make them Halloween themed. We have some powdered sugar. We also have some white chocolate coating wafers, the melting wafers. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright, y'all. Now you can do this in a double boiler or a microwave-safe dish like I'm about to do, but we're going to take 2 cups of our white chocolate chips. So once we have our 2 cups, we're going to go ahead and throw this in the microwave for about 30 seconds, stirring, 30 seconds, stirring, until it's smooth. 30 seconds in the microwave. Give it a quick stir. Alright, once your chocolate is melted and it's smooth, let's move over to a mixing bowl. Alright, y'all. So in our mixing bowl, we're going to go ahead and cream in. We're going to take 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. And then to that 8 ounces of cream cheese, we're going to take 1/3 of a cup of powdered sugar. Then we're going to go ahead and get these creamed together until smooth and well blended. Alright, y'all. Once that's creamed together, we're going to go ahead. We're going to take 2/3 of a cup. 2/3 of a cup of that pumpkin. Then we are going to take 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. We're also going to take 1.5 cups of those ginger snap crumbs. Then we're going to take a teaspoon of that pumpkin pie spice. We're going to go ahead and get this mixing together. Alright, so now that 2 cups of white chocolate that we melted earlier, now we're going to go ahead and get this mixed up just until it's well blended. Alright, once that chocolate's blended in, so we're just going to go ahead and set this in the fridge for about 3 hours to chill. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. After about 3 hours of setting up in the fridge, we're going to just take our cookie scoop, just like so. Roll that into a nice, perfect little ball. Alright, y'all. So, we got them rolled up. Mine are a little different sizes because once I broke the cookie scoop and I had to start rolling them by hand. But we're going to throw this back in the fridge for about 20-ish minutes. While that's in the fridge, we're going to start melting those coating chips. Alright, y'all. So while those are in the fridge, continuing to set up, we've got our wafer coating chips here. We're going to go ahead and pop these in the microwave just like we did that chocolate earlier. 30 seconds, stir it up a bit, just like we did earlier. Pop them back in, another 30 seconds. So completely optional, but I'm going to do it just because of the theme of the year here. I got some orange food coloring. Alright, so now we need to go ahead and get our cheesecake balls back out and get ready to start dipping them. Alright, y'all. Now comes for the fun part. Go ahead, drop the cheesecake ball in. Give it a quick toss. 2 forks are the best method to do this. Be too heavy, or if you have a good skewer, it'd be too heavy for a toothpick. Alright, once we have them dipped, we're going to go ahead, throw them in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. We want to let that chocolate coating set. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. They've set up in the fridge. A little messy, but that's alright. There we have it. Pumpkin cheesecake balls. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.